The last of our chords that we're going to learn is the minor seventh. So far we've learnt major, minor, seventh or dominant seventh, and also major seventh. So what about minor sevenths? Well, a minor seventh chord takes the 1, 3, 5 like a minor chord, being the 1, flat 3 and the 5, and then what we do is we add on a flattened seventh note as well. So the formula for a minor seventh chord is 1, flat 3, 5 and then flat 7. So let's have a look at one. Let's have a look at an A minor seventh chord. So we know for an A minor seventh chord we take the notes of the A major scale, which is A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp and G sharp, and we take the 1, which is the A, the flattened third, which is a C natural, the fifth, which is an E, and then we're going to take a G note and make it a flattened seventh as well, which makes it, or G sharp, and make it into a G natural note. So for an A minor seventh chord, we're going to add the G natural note. So here's an A minor chord, which is 1, flat 3 and 5, and then we have to add a G natural note in there. There's a couple of ways to do it. We can put our little finger down here onto the third fret of the first string, that's a G note there, and there's an A minor seventh chord, nice sound to an A minor seventh. Other way we could do it, of course, is the way we've been taught to play it, which is where we just take off the third finger. What we're doing is we're making that A note there into a G natural note there. So we now have this chord here, which is an A minor seventh. Very, very nice sounding chord there. So that's how minor sevenths work. 1, flat 3, 5 and flat 7. Again, the best thing you can do is go around and start working some out. For example, here's a G minor seventh with our bar chord shape. If you were to test all those notes against it, you would see they're exactly the same notes as what the 1, flat 3, 5 and flat 7 of our G major scale tells us to do there. So it all adds up and it all equates there. So we now have 5 different chord formulas. We have for the major chord 1, 3, 5, for the minor chord 1, flat 3, 5, for the dominant seventh 1, 3, 5, flat 7, and for the major seventh 1, 3, 5 and 7, and then the minor seventh, which is 1, flat 3, 5 and then flattened seventh as well. 5 different formulas, and that's where our chords come from the very basics of them. Very easy to do, quite logical, just takes a little bit of memorization on your behalf of not only the notes but also the notes of our major scales and how the formulas relate to them. So work on it, because we're going to start some really exciting songwriting material soon, and we really need to know these things quite well.